Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Beehiiv, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Beehiiv website by typing the URL into your browser. Once the homepage loads, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. After filling in your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Beehiiv. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Beehiiv website to log in. Enter your email address and the password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. You will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in the necessary details such as your name and business information. Choose your subscription plan based on your needs. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to them. Proceed to enter your payment information if required. Finalize your registration by clicking on the Complete Registration button. You are now successfully registered with Beehiiv and can start using the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.